This is Danfoss TP5001 older generation room thermostat, and this video is more for like installers or very advanced users, because I will show how to enter installer mode for most advanced programming. So first what we need to do, we need to push this arrow down and the programming button. This will guide us to advanced programming mode, and now I need to hold those both arrows and push program mode and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and now I have option 13, and it is for setting upper limit for temperature range. I can jump between those options, pushing plus and minus, and here I can have some settings. Okay, so I jump to another one. So option 31, it is for setting lower limit for temperature range. Option 32 enables off at a lower limit. Option 33 enables on at the upper limit. Option 34 is selecting on off or chrono proportional control. 6 is 6 cycles per hour, it is factory setting. And option 35, it is for set integration time. And option 36, it is for setting temperature override rules. Option 37, it is to set time duration of override rule. Option 38, it is relay state on low battery. Option 40, it is number of events per day. Option 41 is mode for 5 and 2 day or 24 hours. So it means you have two time schedules. One is for working days like Monday, Friday, and 2 means weekend. And here I can have 24 hours. So it means I will have only one schedule and it will be valid for all days of the week. Option 70 is for keyboard disable. Option 72 is owner state reference number. Option 73 is owner thermostat reference number. Option 74 is date format for calendar clock. Option 81 is thermostat calibration. You can calibrate your thermostat. Let's say you don't like setting UC on a display, so you can add some kind of 0.5 or 1.5 or 1 Celsius. You can add, or you can take out some Celsius from your thermostat display. Okay, I came back to return. I just need to push and hold this programming button. Okay, so this was installer advanced programming, and this is not for every user. And I ask people, if you do not know what you are doing and you don't know which options you need to choose, please just leave those factory settings. Okay, this one is only for advanced installers who know what and which setting means, and they know how to make a right setting. Okay, so thanks for watching. See you.